again, let's continue our walkthrough through the trigger actions of the sample trigger created by ThinkAutomation. So let's look at the rest of the trigger actions. We saw the country mismatch detection here and right here, basically. And so we were up to this point. So what is the rest of the trigger doing? It executes a stored procedure which detects if that order comes from a new customer, and if yes, it sends an email. And also, if there is a phone number in the order form, it sends an SMS message. So this should be interesting to see how it worked out. I actually went through the execution and would like to show you that in order to get Twillio SMS or send Twillio SMS, in the order processing email account, we need to set up go into properties, set up a parameter under the Twillio. So when you click on Twillio, you will see this screen, and this is actually a snapshot of the screen because I have to block out the Twillio account ID, SID, and Twillio authorization token. So you will initially get an empty two empty fields here, and you need to click on this button to go to the Twillio.com so that you can get a copy of these two fields. Once you click on it, the welcome screen will have these two fields right there. You can cut and paste it. Once you do, you'll click on verify the account, and it works for me. It should work for you as well. So let's minimize this, and we don't need to look at this account anymore. Let's close this, and let's look at the trigger log. Actually, I would like to look at the trigger log from the trigger level. View processed messages, and here are the two trial messages, two trial triggers. I'll show you this one which had an error message. Click on trigger process log. Let's go to the bottom. And there are these two messages here. This one, I believe, came from the execution of the stored procedure. There is a parameter, some parameter name that was not recognized while executing the ADO command. However, this didn't stop the execution, and everything actually executed properly. We see that the result from the stored procedure was that the customer was not a new customer. So if this new equals yes, evaluated to false. That's because I already executed this trigger a couple of times, more than a couple of times. The next action says, well, there was a phone number on the footer, and then I had an issue sending Twillio SMS okay? And because my number that I entered was not in the right format. So let us close this and let's look at the second one. Let's go to the bottom. I see only one red message here. That is the message from the stored procedure, the same message here. While executing PGO command, there was a parameter apparently that was not recognized. Still, the SPROC executed normally. There is no red color on the second message because I entered the correct format for the video. All that was required was a plus, 1, and then the phone number. That's the format that's required. And this is basically what I received a Twillio message saying thank you for your order. So there is more to it. I'd like to wrap up with this trigger. I will have a new video that speaks about connecting to relay service and troubleshooting that. Thanks for watching.